Want to make your home smarter, more efficient, and more enjoyable in 2025? We've rounded up the must-have home essentials that will change the way you live. From fitness gadgets to high-tech security, these game-changing products are all about convenience, innovation, and style. Stick around as we dive into 20 items you'll wish you had discovered sooner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting finds like these. Number 10. Majocco Egg Cooker, the perfect kitchen companion for quick and easy egg prep. This compact device can cook up to 7 eggs at once, letting you enjoy your eggs exactly how you like them, soft or hard-boiled. With an automatic shut-off feature, it ensures your eggs are cooked to perfection every time, without the risk of overcooking. The included measuring cup helps you get the right amount of water, while the clear lid makes it easy to check progress. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the space-saving design means you can easily store it away. Whether you're meal prepping or making deviled eggs, the Majocco Egg Cooker simplifies your routine and saves you time in the kitchen. Get perfect eggs with zero effort. Number 9. EAZZE D1 Pro. Transform any space into a high-quality theater with the Orzen EAZZE D1 Pro projector. This portable powerhouse delivers 1080p full HD resolution and supports 4K content, providing stunning visuals with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Thanks to advanced LED technology, the EAZZE D1 Pro ensures bright, clear images even in well-lit rooms. With HDMI, USB, and wireless connectivity, it connects effortlessly to laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, and more. No need for extra speakers. Its built-in stereo sound is more than enough for an immersive viewing experience. Compact and sleek, it's perfect for both home entertainment and on-the-go presentations. Whether it's movie night or a professional pitch, the EAZZE D1 Pro offers exceptional performance, flexibility, and convenience. Your ideal choice for on-the-spot entertainment. Number 8. Bella Slim Air Fryer. Craving crispy, flavorful food without the extra calories? The Bella Slim Air Fryer is here to make it happen. This compact, space-saving appliance is perfect for small kitchens, whether you're in an apartment or just need to maximize counter space. Thanks to rapid air circulation, you can enjoy that crispy texture without the heavy use of oil. With adjustable temperature control and a 60-minute timer, it gives you precise cooking power, from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you can cook quickly and smart. No matter what's on your menu, snacks or full meals, the Bella Slim Air Fryer is the healthier, hassle-free way to cook up your favorites. Crispy food without the extra calories? Sounds like a win. Stick around because our next item will help you track your valuables with ease. Number 7. Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. Want to keep an eye on your front door without ever having to open it? The Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera is the ultimate home security solution. With 1080p HD video, you'll get crystal clear footage and wide-angle views, ensuring you never miss a visitor, delivery, or activity around your home. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly with anyone at your door, even when you're miles away. The camera seamlessly integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to control with your voice or smartphone. Motion detection sends real-time alerts whenever movement is detected, and its weatherproof design means it performs in any condition. Whether for security or convenience, the Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera is the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Number 6. Govee Icicle Lights. Transform your space into a winter wonderland with Govee Icicle Lights. These LED lights feature a cascading design that mimics shimmering ice or falling water, creating a stunning visual effect. Perfect for windows, rooftops, or trees, they add a magical touch to any area. Available in a range of colors like classic white, multicolored, and red, you can customize them to fit any occasion or mood. With the Govee app or voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, adjusting brightness, color, and effects has never been easier. Durable and energy efficient, these lights are weather resistant, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether for holiday celebrations or year-round ambiance, Govee Icicle Lights are the ideal solution to bring a festive glow to your home. Number 5. Tile Pro Tracker. Never lose track of your valuables again with the Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker. This sleek, durable device helps you quickly find your items, whether it's keys, bags, or anything else. With a long-range Bluetooth connection of up to 400 feet, it works even in larger spaces, giving you peace of mind. The Tile Pro pairs seamlessly with the Tiles app, allowing you to locate your items with a simple tap. If your item is out of range, the app shows its last known location. Plus, the loud ringer ensures you'll never miss it, even in noisy surroundings. With extended battery life and voice assistant compatibility, Alexa and Google Assistant, the Tile Pro makes it easier than ever to keep track of your essentials. Stay organized and stress-free. Never lose track of your keys again. And if you think that's cool, wait until you see the next product, a robot that does your lawn care for you. Number 4, YUK Robot Mower. Say goodbye to tedious lawn care with the YUK 3D Vision Robot Lawn Sweeping Mower. This high-tech robot uses advanced 3D vision to navigate your yard, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a thorough clean. Powerful brushes, it efficiently collects debris, grass clippings, and leaves, leaving your lawn spotless. The YUK 3D is programmed to adapt its cleaning path to your lawn's layout, offering a tailored experience. It works quietly and efficiently, saving energy while delivering top-notch performance. Plus, its weather-resistant design ensures it handles the elements without a hitch. Controlled easily through a smartphone Majocco app, this robot mower is perfect for homeowners who want a hassle-free, eco-friendly solution for a pristine lawn. Keep your yard tidy without lifting a finger. Number 3, Brill UV Toothbrush Sanitizer. Want to keep your toothbrush clean and free from harmful germs? The Brill UV Toothbrush Sanitizer is the solution you need. Using powerful ultraviolet UV light, this device kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses that can live on your toothbrush bristles, helping you maintain better oral hygiene. Simply place your toothbrush inside and the sanitizer gets to work in just minutes. Its compact, sleek design makes it perfect for both home use and travel, ensuring your toothbrush stays clean no matter where you are. With an automatic shut-off feature, it's safe and energy efficient. Extend the life of your toothbrush and boost your daily oral care routine with this easy-to-use sanitizer. Clean, safe, and hassle-free. The Brill UV Toothbrush Sanitizer gives you peace of mind every time you brush. Number 2, Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight. Transform your outdoor spaces with the Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight, the eco-friendly lighting solution that's as smart as it is bright. Powered by solar energy, this spotlight automatically charges during the day and shines brightly at night, perfect for illuminating pathways, gardens, or adding security to your property. It features motion detection, so the light activates when movement is detected, offering added safety and convenience. The spotlight is built to withstand the elements, with a weather-resistant design that ensures reliable performance no matter the conditions. Plus, with smart integration, you can control it remotely via a smartphone app, adjusting settings, schedules, and monitoring energy use. Easy to install with no wiring or outlets needed, the Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight is the ideal blend of sustainability and practicality. Add security and style to your outdoor spaces effortlessly. Brighten up your yard the eco-friendly way. This spotlight does it all. And now, for the ultimate cleaning tool that does it all. So if you have vacuuming and mopping in one. Number 1, Roomba Combo 10 Max. Meet the Roomba Combo 10 Max, the ultimate cleaning partner that vacuums and mops your floors all in one go. Say goodbye to spending time switching between devices. With advanced sensors, this smart robot easily switches between hard floors and carpets, ensuring a deep clean every time. Its powerful suction tackles dirt, while the mopping feature gives your floors a fresh scrub. Smart mapping technology helps it navigate your home, creating a custom cleaning path for maximum efficiency. Control the Combo 10 Max from anywhere with the app or use voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for a truly hands-free experience. The Roomba Combo 10 Max is the time-saving solution for effortless cleaning, letting you relax while it takes care of the floors. And there you have it, 20 home essentials that are sure to make life easier in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more awesome tips and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.